What's up, mi gente? Welcome back to Off the Grid. Today we got something special for you. You know, it's really an episode of no excuses. You know, sometimes people don't have mountain bikes, they don't have a paddleboard, or let alone have like a nice boat behind like these guys do. Sometimes you just gotta get out and take a walk, and that's part of being outdoors. So today we're gonna come out here to the VK trails and go out there and get in them trails and get a little hiking. I brought a Primo with me. You guys will see him later on. But yeah, hey, no excuses. Just get out there and get out the grid. All right, so this is the entrance. We're gonna start making a little trek. Always be on the lookout for the mountain bikers and give everybody their space. You know, we don't want them to end up like the memes. So this is pretty much it, the beginning of the end. You know, and I got El Primo. So we'll check back in later when we're a little bit deeper into the trails. This is like the entry level. Just little canopies. It's kind of like to warm up your legs before the trails really start. Later on you'll get a little more into the nitty-gritty, but I'll keep you guys tagged along. Trying this new camera angle out on my backpack on the shoulder side with one of the GoPro clips, so hopefully it works out pretty good. So far so good, so hopefully all these clips are not a waste. So we'll check back in once we complete a little more of these segments. Keep you guys spotted out here just walking these trails. Alright, this is one of the intermediate trails for the mountain biking. It's like the beginning of it, so it probably wouldn't get too crazy here, but you know, trekking along. It's a pretty good experience walking these trails now, and you usually come in here with a mountain bike and see a little beaver guy. You see a lot of stuff that you don't see, like that beaver. You've never seen it. Come in here concentrated on a million other things while you're mountain biking. That now that you get to walk these trails is a totally different perspective. So it's pretty cool actually. So I'll be tapping in and out, just keeping you guys here along the trail as best I can. How you doing? bikers. Thought we heard some bikers. You know, we gotta share the road. Nice little red cardinal right there, I think that was. Awesome. That's what nature walks and hikes or just getting out there is about. You get to see them and animals that you normally wouldn't. Even if you're like, for example, I come out here on a mountain bike and I rarely pay attention to what really goes on into these trails other than like what's in front of me on the mountain bike. So like I said earlier, it's a great different perspectives to come out here and like really take in these trails and use them as a nature walk. Get out there, guys. Get out there, get some sun, get a little bit of sweat in. I promise you'll feel better about everything. Little breathing. All right. Oh yeah. Let me see. You can tell that the tide has gone down a lot. It's all washed up. It starts over there usually, but it's gone back a lot. It's pretty low. Maybe we find little crabs out here or something. Just take a moment, guys. This is why you come out, guys, to get out of those 4 walls, 27 walls. It doesn't matter how small or big your house or apartment is. You got to get out of it. You got to come out here and enjoy all of this wherever you're at. Every place has its beauty. Boom, we made it to one of the spots. It's a really, really cool spot over here, guys. I want to show you. Check this out right here. Be careful, baby. Woo. Nice. Pretty sturdy right here. We made it. Pretty good spot right here. Check the spot out, guys. We got a Primo making his way over here too. But check this out. I know we keep stopping, but we gotta enjoy this. This is what these little treks are for, to get to these spots. So we trekked the little coastline and we got to this point right here. I was trying to get to this point to enjoy this like great view right here of the bay. But we just came out here to close out the video. Just wanted to get out and tell you guys the same thing I reiterated in the beginning. There's no excuse for anything. You can get out there and just get off the grid. You don't need any accessory, like as far as like a bike or a paddleboard or a boat or a jet ski or anything out there. You can just simply go to your local park like we did today. We decided to get in the car and come out here and do the little trek. We did a little 5K and enjoyed it. Got some work going, got some sweat going, and enjoyed some of the sun that we had today. So you can really get out anywhere, wherever you're from, and find a spot and just enjoy the views. Check it out. Stay off the grid.